In this video we will learn how to analysis files using Autopsy. At first go to the official site of Autopsy to download it. Click here. Now click on Download 64-bit. The download has been started. You can check it using Ctrl+J shortcut. As I already downloaded it, I will cancel now. You can see, here is my Autopsy. Go ahead and open it. Here you can see a couple of options. First one is for creating new case. And this is for opening recent cases. And if there is any existing case you have, select this. As I don't even create any case yet. So I select New Case. Now give the name for this case. As we are analyzing the file, I give here this name, File Analysis. To store the Autopsy generated reports and files, select the folder. Here I already created a file for Autopsy in D drive. Now, create a new folder. Change the name into File Analysis. Click on Next. Give the case number and other information for this case. You can also add about your organization information. For this, click on Manage Organization. Click on New. If you want, you can give details for this, otherwise skip it. Click on Finish. Now you can see that a database is creating. It's take a little bit of time, don't worry. Select this to generate new hostname based on data source name. Click here to create a specific host name. If you have any existing host name, select from here. Here we select the first option. Here you can see a couple of options. This is for analyzing your local disk. As I already have the disk image file, so I choose this. Select the data that you want to analyze. Here you can change your time zone. Click on Next. You can see, by default these options are selected. You can select this as per your requirement. Here I suggest to select all of the option to check every possible analysis on this file. You can see a pop-up that shows the function of this ingest. If you also want for iOS analysis, select this. Click on Next. Here it's take time to analysis the file. Click on Finish. Here you can see that it's analyzing the file. You can check the completed status from here. Here we have to wait a minute for properly analyzing this file. Here you can see that all the analysis has been completed. Now click on Data Sources. Here you can see the file. Click on that. You can see here that there are two volumes present in this file. First one is unallocated, that means there are nothing. Now in the second volume, you can see there are lots of images, PDF and some text files. You can check it by clicking on this. Here you can see every file's hex format and file's metadata. You can see that it tags this zip file for suspicious. Click on File Type. Here you can sort the files by extension. You can easily find images, videos, and many types of file format here. You can see that there are 4 files in archives that are zipped. Might be it's suspicious. To add a tag on a file, right-click on it, select Add a new tag, and then you can see some tags types. You can also add customized tag by clicking New Tag. Click on OK. You can see that there is a yellow colored tag is added to this file. There is one database file, nothing is valuable here, expect some hex format and file metadata. The amazing part is, you can see here the deleted files that the user deleted previously. Also, you can extract it to your local machine and export it. Here you can see some emails in there. So you can see here, the sent and received text messages via emails. Oh my god, it's a very long communication. Drag this to view properly. Here you can see some files metadatas are there. From here you can get all files metadata. Here are some web downloads files. These are some encryption files. It might be there are some data, that's why it's encrypted. So we add this tag as a follow-up. In keyword hits section you can see some emails that it's sorted from the files. There are no OS detected by this software. Whatever, we can get some tagged files. Here are the reports are stored after generating the report. To do this, click on Generate Report. Here you can find lots of options. But we suggest to use HTML report for better understanding and viewing. Click on Next. Here we set all results as it is and finished it. You can see here, a HTML path is generated for this report. Click on this to view it. You can see here the report is easily generated as website view, and also check it what the files it contains, which are suspicious. So, that is all about our today's video.